off. Damn, I just took 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 off.
What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. Look what we brought the kid. Little starter. Y'all already knew it was gonna be an Altima. Y'all knew that. Check it out. Yeah, man. Little mud on the tires. You know how we do. Little 2-door, 2008. Check this out. 3.5 SE. Of course, Nissan Altima. Check out what dude had in the trunk. Nice. This thing is tight too, so it ain't really been used much. In a JL audio box though. Looks like it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. Look at that garbage. Jensen, look at that. Not a bad install job. Not bad at all. Check out what he had up there. Little Kenwood. What's the model on this thing? I don't know where to find the model. I think it's like a DDX or something like that. I don't know. I don't know much about Kenwoods. But sound alright. Not for my liking, you know. But you know, we gonna hook the kid up. The thing was clean on the inside for 180,000. Not bad at all. 2008. Sunroof up though. Little sunroof. Check it out. Y'all know we're gonna do big things with this. What we'll probably do is just get another box built for this Coupe S, so we can slide it all the way back to the back, and then get another amp, and then put it on the side right there. But that'll be later. I just want to get a video out there for you guys, so you know what I've been up to. We hit 800 subscribers not too long ago. Appreciate the love and support. Get the hood adjusted. See where it's off. See that big gap right there? You come over here, it's not much. So probably been wrecked. And there's, I think, yeah, actually that piece is on there. So yeah, just the hood need to be adjusted. So get that hood adjusted, we'll be all good. So yeah, man. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.